So, the moon, our closest celestial neighbor. Big rock in the sky with a face big enough to fit a man on it. The big cheese, if you will. It was my job for this project to keep track of the moon's phase, direction, and altitude in the sky for 2 weeks. So, back when I started this project, what did I think was going to happen? Well, my first thought was that the moon would slowly make its way around the celestial sphere as the weeks went on, since the moon's orbiting us at a much slower rate than we are spinning. I also figured that the way the moon would rotate around the celestial sphere would be with respect to the north celestial pole. By the end of the project, I expected to have seen half of the moon's phases, since 2 weeks is roughly half of the moon's orbital period. Finally, since I started recording on a waxing crescent moon, I figured I would end recording on a waning gibbous moon, since you see it's right across from it. Yeah. So keeping these predictions in mind, was I right, or am I a complete idiot who is now failing the class? Let's find out. Whoa, wait a second, hold the phone. What was that near the end there? Oh my god, it was a blood supermoon! Oh yes, it's a super. Is that a super? Oh my god, it was a. I am freaking out! No! Okay, so there was a lunar eclipse while I was recording the moon. A super blood moon eclipse, actually, so it was pretty cool. Super blood moon eclipses are actually extremely rare. They only happen once per Saros cycle, or every 18 years. In order for a super blood moon eclipse to take place, the moon has to be at perigee, its closest orbital position to Earth, which makes it a supermoon. It also has to be in the full phase and has to pass through the Earth's umbra for the eclipse. It was pretty cool to see a super blood moon eclipse while I was recording the moon for my project. I was hoping the moon would explode or something while I was doing the project, but I guess this works too. So, back to business. How did my predictions match up with reality? First off, the moon's path. It went around the celestial sphere as I predicted, so one point toward me being a genius. Next up, the moon did not rotate with respect to the NCP. That is wrong, and I'm an idiot. I also thought I would see roughly half of the moon's phases while I was recording it. And finally, I theorized that since I started on a waxing crescent moon, I would end on a waning gibbous moon. There you have it, folks. I'm 3 for 4. 25% of an idiot. So that just about wraps up my moon project video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.